Fridge Survivor, the show where the contestants are actually items of food from the fridge. When they get kicked out, they don't just leave, they get eaten. We take a look back at some of the best times of the show. Now let's welcome our host, who is also a contestant on the show, Frozen Banana.
And these are the food who couldn't make it to studio. We've got organic orange juice, Bollywood wedding cake, tandoori pizza, and salted butter. And I'm your host, Frozen Bananas. So mint slice, how do you like living in the fridge?
I just like living in a fridge because that's what I love the most. Well, because it's cold.
And so do you like living in the fridge this much, or do you like living in the fridge that much?
And that much. Oh.
Who do you think will win between those three things in the fridge survivors?
Me.
What? Okay. Who are you going out the fridge first?
Tomato sauce, I'll kick him out.
Okay, you kick tomato sauce out.
Oh.
Who's your friend in the fridge?
My Bollywood cake. Thai food.
That sounds good. What kind of problems do you think you have in the fridge?
My chocolate goes hard. I might get nibbed on. Everyone loves chocolate.
And now I'd like to ask Babe B. Do you do more farting?
Yes, we do more farting.
Pizza, why you in the fridge?
Because I like being a foodie sometimes. I like it.
Are you fresh or frozen?
I'm fresh to start with. Yes, fresh.
Are you spicy pizza?
Yes, spicy.
Who should kick out the fridge?
Oh, I know who.
Who?
I would say chocolate ice cream.
Thank you, Chain Pizza.
Okay, organic orange juice. Why do you like being in the fridge?
Cold.
Do you live outside of the fridge or inside of the fridge?
In fridge.
That's good. And organic orange juice. Do you think you're open or you think you're closed?
Sure.
And who do you think you should vote out of the fridge?
Juice. Juice. I'm going with me. Beautiful. Have it. I'm beautiful. I'm pretty. Pretty me. Peaceful and joy.
Banana, da 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 da. Can't get you out of my head. Boy, is all I never think about.
Like a breeze over troubled water, I'll ease your mind.
And there's long nights, tomatoes, mushrooms, can make tomatoes, can die.
This show was brought to you by Frigidaire Refrigerator Ice Boxes. Get yours today. By General Motors. So the next time you go to the fridge, remember, there could be a human in there.
In your Frigidaire cold pantry, there's a place for all your food. Fresh and frozen, canned, bottled, and wrapped, new bought and leftover. They're all right there, and they're all at your fingertips. Let's start with the most ingenious door in any refrigerator. It has special places for bottles, spreadable butter, cheeses, even leftovers, and a big picture window hydrator for fruits and vegetables. It tilts down to show you your supply at a glance. And it also lifts out, so you can take it over to the sink when there's a fresh supply to be washed and put away. But that's just the door. Think of all you can store in here on these big firm shelves that roll all the way up to you, so you can get at the food in back without moving anything in front. And how about your frozen things? Oh yes, there's a place for them too, in this big, big food freezer. Even your ice cubes have a special place for storage, right here. And watch how they get there. You just take out a tray, turn it over, and push. You get a shower of ice cubes all frosty dry and ready to use. See all the wonderful ideas in this Frigidaire cold pantry at your own Frigidaire dealers. It's further proof you get the best when you buy Frigidaire, built and backed by General Motors.